The ad formats available to marketers have grown exponentially with the growth of digital marketing. They can range from the traditional search ads, display ads, and pop-up ads on websites, to social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and native advertising in publications or blogs. While mastering a particular traffic type is a good start, marketers should consider taking their campaigns into more than one channel. After all, digital marketing can be pretty unpredictable. One moment we're consistently earning from a particular source. The next thing you know, it's been banned. Boom. Gone. Should you just close up shop then? While this idea may sound like a doomsday prediction, affiliates who've been around long enough know that this can happen anytime, so it pays to be prepared to switch to a different traffic source. This exposition will highlight different types of online advertising formats available for modern marketers looking for an edge over their competitors, or at the very least, those looking to scale. Let's start with display advertising. Display advertising is one of the oldest forms of advertising. This type of advertising has evolved over the years, which means multiple formats are available right now. These include banner advertising, which is commonly referred to as display advertising because of its visual nature. A banner ad can take visitors from the publishing website to a specific landing page. The primary use of banner advertising is for brand awareness, but with its massive volume and affordability, it is also being used by affiliates to promote affiliate offers. Many studies and tests have shown that banners are attention-grabbing because of the images, sizes, and placements. It can consist of anything from simple colors with text copy to complicated animations created in HTML5 or Flash, or even video banners. The downside to a banner ad is that people are so used to such advertisements that they develop ad blindness. Nevertheless, advertisers are still able to reach their target audience because of its sheer volume and broad reach. There are three kinds of banner ads to choose from, which are static ads. Static ads are banners that have no movement. These are just simple advertisements that show images and information that will grab the attention of the user. Static ads are lightweight and easier to make. Animated ads. Animated banner ads will have some motion to them. The movement can include scrolling text, blinking lights, or changing colors and visuals, which help attract viewers' attention because they stand out more than a still image. Flash ads and GIF ads fall under animated ads, interactive ads, or rich media ads. This format is used to increase user engagement by allowing the user to interact with the banner with simple actions without leaving the publishing website's page. The always imperative calls to action appear after the user has interacted with the banner for a period of time or after a set number of actions. Ads continue to evolve, and seeing the trend in user video consumption, banner ads have also evolved to include in-banner video ads. These are videos showing up in banner placements. We'll discuss this in more detail under video ads later on. Another recently developed banner ad format is the in-page push notification. It is technically a banner ad, but since it imitates the look and style of classic push notification, it is frequently lumped in with push notification ads. Let's look at banner ad placements and sizes. Banners are placed on multiple parts of the page: the header, the footer, sidebars, in article, and below the article. There are different banner sizes available depending on the placement. Each size is optimized to fit the website properly, whether it is being viewed on a computer or a mobile device. Banner ad sizes are typically measured by width and height in pixels. As such, something like 300 by 200 pixels means the image is 300 pixels wide and 200 pixels tall. Next, we'll talk about interstitial ads. Interstitial ads are interactive, full-screen advertising that covers the interface of their host website or app. This ad format appears between content and can show up in natural transition points like moving to another game level or opening a different page. Full coverage is what sets interstitial ads apart from other ad formats. Because of its full coverage, the user will have no choice but to look at the ad, even if only for a few seconds. Ads that perform best with this format are videos and interactive media, like game or app samples. The timing of the close option depends on the ad type. Non-video ads have an immediate close option, whereas video ads require users to wait for at least 10 seconds before they can be closed. Interstitial advertisements come in responsive sizes, so they appear properly, no matter the resolution of the device being used. If there's an advertisement format that could appeal to people who like to consume content, it is video ads. Video ads allow the user to digest information without having to read time-consuming text while maintaining attention and keeping their interest. There are three major types of video ads. First, we have in-banner video ads. In-banner video ads are banners with videos embedded in them. These ads use the space provided by banner advertising, often 300 by 250 pixels. Platforms have adopted more sizes and delivering a dynamic viewing experience instead of simply offering up a still image. Since the size is small, users have the option to click on an icon to expand the video. Consumers don't have to click a play button or wait for a video to load when an in-banner video ad appears. The sound is typically muted even when the video starts playing, so the user's in-page experience will not be reduced. Once the user's attention is captured by the movement in the video, he can opt to turn the sound on. Next, we have in-stream video ads. These video ads rely on the content, and they can play before the viewer's video, called pre-roll, during, known as mid-roll, or after, known as post-roll. You can only skip the ads if they are long, but if the ad is short enough, the publishing video platform will usually require you to finish the whole video clip. This ad format is often used to monetize content for video publishers. But because it could appear intrusive for users, advertisers should use this opportunity wisely with short, targeted messages. Lastly, we have outstream video ads. They work similarly to in-banner video ads, but they have more freedom of placement and do not require an ad unit like banners or pop-ups for them to function properly. Outstream videos can be found anywhere from articles, social feeds, product pages. Basically, any place where you see text that's accompanied with a video player is possible for outstream advertising space. These types of adverts require a player from where it's hosted, YouTube for example, in order to play. They play the moment their placement appears on the screen and stops the moment the user scrolls down and hides it from view. While an in-banner video ad takes on the size of the banner placement, an outstream video ad is responsive and takes on the video player's size. As the marketing frontier becomes more competitive, marketers need to think of creative ways to introduce their advertisements without annoying internet users. Most of the time, viewers think advertisements are nothing more than an intrusive element to their viewing pleasure. If you want to increase your sales without annoying users, you can go for native advertising. Native advertising is the least intrusive ad format as it blends in nicely with the look and feel of the publishing website. It fuses so well with its environment that it doesn't come off as an ad at all, except for the required sponsored or ad words placed close to the ad. What are the benefits of using native ads? Native ads provide excellent visibility. There are millions of publisher websites out there, and authoritative ones are in the thousands. You can be sure to find a publishing website that is relevant to what you are trying to promote. It prevents ad blindness. Since the ad blends perfectly with the rest of the web page, users will not immediately dismiss it. The ad itself will have enough time to show its appeal or value to the user. It has one of the highest click-through rates, CTR, and engagement rates because it appears more relevant or valuable to the user than other forms of digital marketing, like banners. While ads in search results and social media are also technically native ads, these two have their own distinct parameters. So for the sake of uniformity, and to avoid confusion when you are looking for traffic providers for a specific ad format, we will only include a list of native ad formats common in native ad traffic networks in this list. Number 1. In-feed ads. Infiltrating the content feed are in-feed native advertisements that weave in between articles, blending in seamlessly. They usually appear on blogs and news sites with infinite scroll features, which have become popular for mobile screens. Number 2. In-app ads. As the name suggests, these are native ads displayed naturally within apps. These can be recommendation ads and in-feed commerce ads that appear seamlessly within the game or application. These can also be full-page interactive ads that allow users to engage with or play, if it's a game. Interactive ads have higher engagement than typical image or video ads. The audience for this ad type is mobile users, since apps are typically installed on mobile devices. Number 3 is content recommendation widgets. This is the most common native ad, and you can easily find this in popular news, lifestyle, and business websites like CNN, People Magazine, and Entrepreneur. These are the recommended stories that are shown right after the article or at the sidebar. Except for the sponsored or ad words, no one would think of them as ads. And then we have branded content. These are publisher-hosted content or articles posted on the publishing website itself. It can be a press release, a review, an advertorial, or an actual article coming from the advertiser, with the goal of promoting the brand or business. These are ads because the publisher gets paid for posting such content on their website. Another popular format is contextual ads. Their placement is based on the context or content of the publishing website. This type of advertising automatically evaluates the content and metadata of a web page and matches it against advertisers' needs. For this to work, ad networks use a keyword or domain targeting filter. There are different kinds of contextual ads, and these are pop ads, zero-click ads, and text ads. Let's discuss each one further. First off, pop ads. Also called on-click ads, pops are full-page ads that open up in a different browser or tab the moment the user clicks on any part of the publisher's website. There are two types of pop ads based on how they appear. First up is pop-up. As its name suggests, pop-up tabs or browsers open on top of the active browser. As it opens on top, it immediately captures the audience's attention, but also leads to a poor user experience since it interrupts the user's activity. This is why many browsers, including Google Chrome, banned the practice of pop-ups. Still, a few traffic providers offer them. The other is the pop-under. Contrary to what pop-ups do, pop-unders open beneath the active browser, allowing for a better user experience. The user only sees them the moment he closes the active tab or browser. Pops are paid on a pay-per-view basis, or PPV, which is why many also call pop ads PPV ads. They are among the cheapest of traffic types available today, with some ad networks selling them for as low as tenths of a cent per impression. Run-of-network, RON, pop traffic is even cheaper since these are not filtered by keywords, so if volume is what you are looking for, choose RON. Next we have in-text ads. The concept of in-text advertising is that certain words will be underlined and hyperlinked, calling the attention of the user reading the page. When the user's mouse hovers over them, a small box will open up showing ads related to the word or phrase. It is also known as inline advertising. The ads which pop up can range from related products to advertorials. It has a call to action button within the small pop-up to encourage the user to visit the offer's landing page. If you chance upon a website whose content has phrases or words that have double underline, then chances are it is a publishing website for in-text ads. The payment model that in-text ads follow depends on the advertiser, although it typically uses CPM or cost per 1,000 impressions. Well, there we have it, a variety of display advertising formats, and that's not nearly every channel available, as social media is used widely as well. Still, it's enough to generate millions of ad impressions on a daily basis through the abundant traffic distributions networks using a flexible variety of ad formats and placements. So get your ads out there using these traffic types. Wishing you good fortune.